Hey guys, my name is Tatiana and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I got this super cute sleek bun, and I also do kind of like a mini baby hair tutorial, so yeah. This hairstyle is really easy. It's a nice protective style for the summer, and it's nice just to keep your hair off your neck because no one wants a lot of hair just on their neck in the summer because then you get really hot, and it's just, I'm just obsessed with this style. It's just bomb. It's like sleek but cute. I don't know, it's just, I love it. Before you go, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell button so you are a subscriber, you are a part of the family, and you are notified when I upload new videos. And yeah. Alright guys, so starting off, we look a little crazy, but we're gonna fix that. First we gotta do a little dance. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm just pulling out my baby hairs, and then I'm just gonna part my hair in the middle because this is a middle bun, because middle buns are so cute and easy and whatever. Just part your hair in the middle, and I'm just gonna kind of slick it down a little bit just to, you know, help it so it's more sleek. We're getting a little bit up close and personal, and I'm just using the Eco Styler gel. This is the clear gel. I showed this in my last video. I don't know which video I showed this in, but I did, and I really like this gel. My hair texture it's not that hard to sleek down, so I'm just using like a rat tail comb and then like my hard brush and some water in my gel just to sleek it down. And then we're just gonna tie off the ponytail with 2 ponytail holders just in case it doesn't break, you know. So I'm just taking the ponytail and I'm moisturizing it with this serum oil stuff, and I'm just gonna braid it up, and then we're just gonna wrap it into like a little bun. Now that we look like a lunch lady, I'm gonna take out my baby hairs like so. And I also like curls like on the sides, my sideburns. I like to curl my sideburns, so I just take those out as well. And I take a lot because I like a little big curl, you know? And for my baby hairs, I have this little like toothbrush thing. It's like an edge brush. I'll link it below. I'll put a picture up so you can see what it looks like. And I'm just using the Eco Styler gel. And for my middle parts, I like a little swoop going in the middle. Like I always do that for my middle part ponytails, whatever. I like it. I think it looks good. The baby hairs is just self-explanatory. Like I'm just swooping. I'm just applying the gel and switching off from the brush. The brush kind of just lays it down, and the comb part like gets it like precise, you know? And that's what it looks like. And then I just curl the sideburn and kind of just slick that down as well. And we do the other side. This side is like a struggle. Like it always takes me longer to get these baby hairs looking just right. I don't know what it is, but this hair just does not lay the same, but it's okay. And but that is okay, and ended up looking good in the end. And you could see me just kind of curling that piece and then just slicking it down. You can see it better than I did the other side. And yeah, that's basically how I do my baby hairs. It's really easy. It's really not that hard. Very simple. So yeah. And now we take our bundles. These are the Uber hair bundles. You already know I love these curly bundles. I did this for a ponytail, and this curly hair is just bomb, and it matches my texture really well, so I like it. This part is unnecessary. You don't have to like do this, but my hair is shorter and I want like a curly bun. I want a big extra bun, you know, so yeah. And I'm just jamming, listening to music, embarrassing myself. You know how this goes. Once you get to the end of the weft, you just want to take a piece of hair and just wrap it around. And for a second I wanted to leave it as a ponytail, but I did not. This is a bun tutorial, so we did a bun. And to do a bun, you literally just take the hair like as if it's your own and wrap it up. and use some bobby pins and a rubber band to secure it. And yeah, it was really easy. Like, the hardest part was slicking it and doing the baby hairs. And that is the finished look, guys. It looks so bomb. It's really easy, really simple. It's a nice protective style for the summer. And yeah. So that's it for the video, guys. If you guys enjoyed, please be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. Leave in the comments below what you'd like to see next. And yeah, guys, hit the subscribe button. And yeah, I love you all and goodbye.